Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. If software loses functionality due to the introduction of new or changed features, it is said to have regressed to a less developed state. Even minor changes to the software or original code can result in significant errors such as crashes, glitches, and partial or complete loss of functionality. Regression testing is used to detect these errors and restore stabilization to the application. Both functional and non-functional testing processes assess the impact of new features on the existing code. Many regression testing processes utilize data from testing scenarios run before the current round of changes were implemented. For example, previous functional tests, unit tests, integration tests, and build verifications tests can be integrated into regression testing, allowing verified results from earlier in the development cycle to help diagnose unexpected current issues. Essentially, regression testing focuses on two elements of the source code alterations. Does the new modification behave in the expected, desired manner? Is other functionality affected, even elements seemingly unrelated to the modification? Ideally, regression testing is performed after every source code modification. On an enterprise-level application, thousands of tests are likely necessary, requiring automated regression testing tools. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.